This area I am in right now used to be the hood. While growing up as a kid here in Lagos, Nigeria, my parents used to warn me not to come to Mushin, and this is Idiro area here in Mushin, and this is where the ultra modern market is located. Because you know, in Nigeria and Africa as a whole, since I've been traveling, most of the markets I go to are usually open markets, and you guys know that in Africa, because of our communal lifestyle, we are always practicing open market. But this market was built by the government for fresh produce to sell here in Lagos. So we're here to check it out, see what it's like, and see what the experience is like, see what the pricing is like. And I'm someone that hardly even goes to the markets. I wouldn't be able to tell if it's expensive or if it's cheap, but I'm going to trust you guys to, you know, let me know what you guys think, if it's cheap or if it is expensive. And as I was saying, this area used to be the hood. It used to be very dangerous. There used to be a lot of bad stuff going on here. But I'm happy to tell you that this area has been transformed, and that is what infrastructure does to environment. Let me not waste your time, guys. Let's dive right in.
1 kg goes for 1,300. 3 kg wa lọ sí kíni 3,900. But I can do it for you as 3,500. Shikini money, buy plenty. We do used to come here on Wednesday and Saturday. You will meet an affair Alaga Bese. Anytime you come here, just come straight to my stand. And affair Alaga Bese is waiting for you. Yes, so this is an affair mommy.
You can hear her already plugging herself. I like how the people here are camera friendly and understand the power and the reach of social media. I tried to talk to a few shoppers who surprisingly didn't want to be on camera, but they all said they like the fact that the market is super neat and there are free trolleys for them to use. I also spoke to a few vendors here as well, and this was what they had to say.
Okay, in terms of customers, in terms of the crowd and the moves of the business, I think this place is better because we're able to move more crowds coming in compared to outside market. I sell outside, and the difference to this place, the comparison is too much. The difference is clear. For instance, if I'm making, maybe in my shop, if I should have about 100 tubers, and at the end, only maybe I just sell 100 tubers per month, and yeah, at least within the stretch of 2 market days, but not selling.
Wow.
Yeah. Even if the prices is not preferable to what we are going to sell to customers outside, but in terms of the volume of customers, this place is reasonable.
It's more.
Yes, it's
so
more.
In like what you'd sell in the open air market, you would sell in like a week, but here you sell it in like 2 days.
In 2 days, yeah. No, in open market, I think in a month, that's what we sell here in 2 days.
In 2 days, wow.
Yes.
So if I want to get a stand there, how do I want to be selling out?
It's a free stand, and it has a procedure. You get to, we have the head of official that just give different people slots. So you just go to them, they tell them the items they are bringing in. It's very, very reasonable, and it's a conducive area. For the toilet is conducive. All the officials are well, they're kind, they're nice. If you check the surroundings, you see that there's no dirt.
No dirt anywhere, actually.
No dust, and we have steady cleaners as well. So in terms of you bringing your items, we have so many officials that you can walk up to, and they just tell you different things to do. For instance, maybe we have about 8 people selling rice, selling grains. So they just tell you how they shuffle them. 2 persons selling same market will come same day, same week. Then the following week they interchange. Another vendor bring the same item will come the following week. So that they won't be this one take my customer.
This one take my customer.
Everybody needs to make their sales. That is how it is here.
That's nice. So what do you guys have here?
Okay, I have Irish potatoes and sweet potatoes. They're all part of the tubers family.
But which one is the best?
They're both the best. They have their own uniqueness. For mothers and like the adults that be like, when you diabetes or I don't want something sugary, we give them Irish instead of sweet potatoes.
Oh, okay. So I guess we're going to buy some, man.
I'm glad that's kind of you.
And today's video is sponsored by KSP. KSP simply means keep spreading positivity, and it's the positivity brand that we're going to be launching for the channel. My team and I are putting it together, so you can go on Instagram, search KSP Daily, or just scan the barcode on the screen right now. It's a positivity line just to spread the gospel of positivity and, you know, be able to support the community. There are some parts of Africa that I don't show in my videos, when I travel. Some portion of the proceeds will be going into that. The areas we don't show in the videos, we'll be able to, use that token to support those communities and uplift the area. Follow us on Instagram, show us love, and
My name is Brenda Chejine, and I represent the brand Regio Food Hub. Regio Food Hub is a registered company that is all out to providing quality raw food items such as quality unadulterated palm oil. We also have our quality soya oil. With these are products, you can make do of it to do anything. Our palm oil is color free, it's chemical free, it doesn't have addictive, it's purely palm fruit. So to those of you that have not heard of us, we are your one-stop shop when it comes to things like this. And if you're in the diaspora, what are you waiting for? You can shop our products here at the Lagos Fresh Food Hub, located at Mushin in Dioro. And trust me, if you don't like the hustle and bustle in the open market, this is the best environment you can shop. It's user-friendly, our prices are affordable, and trust me, you don't need to sweat when you come in here. It's really a cozy environment.
while some of the people here are vendors, some of them are farmers as well, which is great because now everyone can be encouraged to go back into farming without much worry of where to sell their produce. Less than $1.
This one 1.5.
Oh, down. This one is $1. This one is closer to $1. What about this one?
1,000.
1,000.
$1,000.
Oh yeah, give me.
Where my jumbo?
This is less than $1, fam. The crowd that this place attracts already provides customers, and the only competition you will have will be how good your produce is, since prices are uniform. You can see how people come here nicely dressed because they know they are not going to be sweating or be charged according to how nicely dressed they are. One of my favorite things about the Lagos Fresh Food Hub is the vast parking space that is absolutely free. The only problem I see here right now is the lack of enough trolleys and baskets, which I believe would come later over time. Just got out of the market now, and I must tell you, warning, before you come here, these women will take all your money. Their marketing skills is impeccable. You know, the same way you haggle in the normal open market, it's the same way you haggle here. But the only good thing is I love the fact that prices here are regulated and they make sure that everybody sells at the same price. It's even so good to the point where after we bought something from someone, while we were walking away, one of the officials there came to meet us behind to be like, yo, how much did you buy that stuff? Just to make sure nobody's selling more than the other person, which is good. And I feel like that's what we need in the Nigerian market. There should be food price regulation so that everybody anywhere can actually buy food at the same prices. That should help with the inflation and everything. I can live here now and go straight to work. I can live here and go for an event, unlike when you go to the other markets. And the people here are even saying that they sell out faster here than in the local markets, which I think is very good. A very good initiative by the Lagos State government. Very, very nice. I would have loved to get some meats over there, but the meat section, they're all sold out already, which I mean, it's so beautiful to find a market this convenient. I think I'm actually going to start coming to the market now, frequently to buy foodstuff and food items. Spent a total of about 60 to 70,000 naira, maybe around $30 on everything that we got, or $40 on everything we got here, so which I think is very nice. So that's all today, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this market here in Mushin, Lagos, Nigeria, and keep spreading positivity. I'll see you on the next one.